Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Mindy's Cuisine. So today I have for you one of my favorite is street food is pâté kòdé. Before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. So if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So these are the ingredients that I use for my pâté. You can use whatever you want. Some people like it plain and simple. I like to mix things up. You know, I like flavor. Anyway, so in my blender, I added my parsley, pepper, some sea salt, and half a cube of Maggi. And also, I'll be adding some water. But the water that I added mine is actually cold water, ice water. Reason being is because it makes it nice and flaky. Okay? So in my flour, I added butter, oil, nice and cold butter that I added in there. And I kind of like mix it up a little bit. Ooh, we mix it up, bang, bang, play. You kind of play with it. Food is fun. I feel like a kid at the candy store when I cook, so I like to play with my things. If that sounds okay. Now you want to put the dough over the counter or a cutting board if you want. Just want to work it a little bit. Not too long, just like for maybe like 1 or 2 minutes. Maybe less. That depends on how much the dough is and how big, maybe I'll say. But just kind of like work it and set it aside. I didn't get a chance to show you guys the cutting process of the, the vegetables and also the ounce. But this is what it looks like after I chopped everything off and, season it. I do like it not too small, not too big, just kind of like medium, and I went ahead and added some Maggi and some salt and pepper, just for flavor. Anyway, so as you guys can see, I'm working this thing with my finger, this dough, and using my rolling pin. I think that's what they call it. Anyway, kind of work it just to get the dough nice and soft. That's what we're looking for here. Here we go. Look at me, a whole Chef Boyardee. Excuse me, guys. I'm having way too much fun. Anyway, so add your filling. And also add a little bit of eggs that I boiled. And kind of like close it. Make sure you close it so the filling doesn't come out. Because sometimes if you don't close it all the way, the filling will come out. And it's going to get the oil dirty. Use your fork to make it look cute. I really don't know why I do this process, but what the heck. So, hey, ooh, look at this bubbling here. Ow. Ooh, baby, yes. I wish you guys can smell it. It smells really good. Please, guys, try it and let me know if you do in the comment section. This is the color we're looking for here. Nice and golden, crispy. Look at the sides. They're nice and crunchy. That's my favorite. Look at that. I wish you guys could smell it. But anyway, do please let me know if you guys try it, okay? Please. Oh, yeah, this is for the family. The first 2 was for my mom, actually. And those were my brothers. And look at it. Look at it, guys. Look at it. This is the finished product. Please don't forget to like and share. Subscribe. Thank you for watching. I love you guys.